வணக்கம். My name is Ramya. என் பெயர் ரம்யா. Is Tamil a difficult language to learn? இல்லை. If you learn it in an easy and a structured way, it is a very simple language there could be. Let me give you an example. To make plurals in Tamil, just add the suffix kal to the end of any word. Mango, maam param, changes to maam parangal when you make it into a plural. Door, kadavu, changes to kadavugal when you make it into a plural. For such easy tips and tricks to learn to speak Tamil, join with me on the live language curry course where we teach you the basics in 12 classes. The live classes along with the learning from our language curry app would give you a good grasp of the language. Thank you. Classla sandikalam. See you in class.